What's up, guys? So I just have some salmon toast here. Salmon toast. Red onion. Yeah, I just made a very simple pickled red onion. Just some vinegar. Put it in the fridge. So delicious. This is the whipped cream cheese that I use. Chive, whipped. So good. And then I have extra chives on the side that I chopped up. Oh yeah. So fresh. And that smoked salmon and has a very strong smoked flavor. So good. Super buttery too, just like melts in your mouth. Pretty color. To drink, I just have this 100% pomegranate juice. Put in my cup here. Fill it halfway. Cheers. I love pomegranate juice. Has like a sourness to it, but slightly sweet as well. Reminds me of like a grape and cranberry juice mixed. So good. So, and I love pomegranates in general. They're so good. But yeah, salmon toast. Excuse me. So good. Lots of antioxidants. Tastes so good too. Oof. Yeah. Last bite. Anyways, guys, this was so delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.